To use GeoWiki X trip planning, you will need to be logged in with your CMCA member login. Hover your mouse over trips and click Start New Trip. Fill out as much information as you can. To add a point of interest to your trip, click on the icons or anywhere on the map to make a custom location. You can use the search bar to find a specific area that you plan on visiting. You can view information about the site before you add it to your trip. You can add the point of interest to your trip from this screen, or you can go back to the map. Use the plus icon to add points of interest to your trip. There are different tabs that allow you to view more information. The Destination tab allows you to reorder, view and edit any points of interest on your trip. To change the order, simply click and drag. The other tabs allow you to filter the points of interest on your map so you can see exactly what you're looking for. You can also choose to print your trip. If you no longer need your trip information, just select Delete this trip. You can have multiple trips, and there is no limit to the amount of points of interest you can have on your trip.